Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in this lesson we are going to find the arc length of a sector of a circle. So first let's go through a circle. This is a circle, and the angle at the center of a circle is 360 degrees. This is 90 degrees. 90, 90, 90, 90. 4 times 90 equals to 360 degrees. So if the angle at the center is 360 degrees, that is a whole circle. That is one circle. So in this circle, we need to know how to find the perimeter of the circle before we find the arc length. So let's find out the perimeter of this circle. The perimeter of the circle is 2 phi r. Okay, so 2 multiplied by phi equals to 22 divided by 7. That means 22 over 7 multiplied by r. Let's take the r as 7 centimeters here. R is the distance between O and A. Okay, or O and B, or you can say O and C or O and D. Okay, so this is R. So here the distance between R is, distance of R, the length of R is 7 centimeters. So let's find the perimeter, that is 44 centimeters. Okay, so if you know to find the perimeter of a circle, it's very easy to find the arc length of a sector. Let's go through this picture. Here, this is a sector. This is a sector of a circle. This sector is a semicircle. That means a half circle. Okay, so this is 90 degrees and 90 degrees. Altogether, it is 180 degrees. Out of 360 degrees is equals to half, right? 180 degrees out of 360 degrees equals to half. So if you want to find this is the sector, if you want to find the arc length, let's say this side is A and this side is B, and you need to go along this path. You start your path from A and you need to go along this path to find B. So to find the distance, to find the length of the road from A to B, you need to divide the perimeter by half, because this sector is a semicircle, a half circle. So you multiply the perimeter of the circle by half, right? So half multiplication 2 phi r. Let's move on to another picture, that is 1/4 of a circle. This sector shows you 1/4 of a circle. That means this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees of 360 degrees equals to 1/4. So if you want to go from A to B, right? You are walking along from A to B. And if you want to find the length of this road, that is 1/4 of the perimeter of the circle. So you multiply it by 1/4. That means you divide it by 4, right? And then let's move on to the next picture, which is 1/8 of the circle. So, 90 degrees divided by half is 45 degrees. If the angle at the center is 45 degrees, out of 360 degrees, that is 1/8 of the circle. So if you want to find the distance between C and B, or if you want to find the length of the road C to B, you need to multiply the circumference of the circle by 1/8. Right? And let's move to the next picture, that is 1/6 of the circle. Let's see why it is 1/6, because it is 60 degrees here. So 60 degrees out of 360 is 1/6 of the circle. So to find this distance between E and B, you need to, to see this length of the road from E to B, you need to multiply the whole perimeter of the circle by 1/6. And finally, this sector, the angle at the center is 30 degrees. So let's see, 30 degrees out of 360 degrees is 1/12, right? So if you want to walk from F to B, and if you want to find the length from F to B, you need to find the circumference of the circle and multiply it by 1/12. So children, this is how you need to find the arc length of a circle, of a sector of a circle. So let's meet on another video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you very much. Jazakallahu khair.